Social bookmarking sites use the mechanism of simply voting to integrate the wisdom of crowds. So when someone sees something interesting on the internet, whether it's a blog article or a funny video on YouTube, he or she can share it with others on the social bookmarking site. Then users of the site read the contents shared and can decide whether to recommend it or not. Through this process, the best or the most popular articles or contents can be selected to the front page and emerge as user-generated headlines, which plays the role of chief editor in the Web 2.0 way. Some of the most famous examples of social bookmarking sites include Delicious, Dig, and in Taiwan there are Hemi and FunP. But we're interested in how we can manipulate the performance of this bottom-up service system by tuning the self-organizing rules. What rules? The user's participation in article recommendation can be seen as a collaborative job. Thus, the reading strategy followed by users is the mechanism rule for job allocation and integration. So we got some inspiration from the swarm intelligence of collective animals such as ants or bees. And some of the major concepts related to mechanism design includes positive feedback, integrity, variability, negative feedback, and inhibition. After that, a collective intelligence multi-agent model is built to simulate the performance of social bookmarking sites. According to the rules that agents as users, they will choose to read articles from an article list sorted by posted time and another list sorted by popularity. Then we use some indicators to measure the performance of the whole system, such as user satisfaction, articles read redundancy rate, average quality for front page articles, turnaround rate for front page articles, job completion rate, and popularity for front page articles. The performance for the recommendation can be divided into sifting effects and recommend efficiency. The sifting effect will let articles of high quality really being selected to the front page, and the recommended efficiency will make the front page headlines keep updating. Thus, more good articles can have the chance to be promoted. The simulation results shows that there's a trade-off between sifting effect and efficiency, and the performance can be controlled through a job allocation strategy which represents the self-organizing rules. Finally, we found that the operation of positive feedback can lead to shifting effects, integrity and variability leads to efficiency, and negative feedback inhibition leads to system stability.
In service exchange, both providers and customers are involved in shaping the continuum of value co-production, combining the concepts of prediction market and concept engineering. Service concept design engaged by providers and customers can become much efficient and economic. The providers and customers in service industry are changing all the time. In this industry, there are many uncertain factors to consider, and it is important for a design team to establish the relationship with their customers and unfold a service concept design process, which can meet customers' expectations and needs. This study proposed an IT-enabled process of new service concept design, grounded on analytical model of prediction market, to achieve the design goal while minimizing the concept development caused by collective customers' involvement. This IT-enabled service concept design process comprises 4 parts: collecting the voice of customers, requirement rater, concept generator, and concept selector, unfolding the customer-based design of new service concepts in order to meet the customer's needs, and potentially improve customer satisfaction in light of the uncertainty and the dynamics in what the customers want for service. In this research, service consumers express their preference by trading service contracts in prediction market. Service provider can dig out real need from the price of service contract in the I-network framework, based on the macro view and the mechanism-driven operation. This discussion is about how number of contracts affects the result of prediction market, which is trying to optimize the outcome of prediction market